All right, we're going.
Okay, so I've got Paul here, who is the god of lenticular stuff, and we're at the New York Stereoscopic Society monthly meeting. So if you haven't heard of them, then check them out. And of course, I'm the Museum of Interesting Things opening, and you were saying good night. Good night. And he's going to open up a new acquisition. I'm going to mix them up like a
Give me this one.
Okay.
I want the one from Sheboygan.
Ah, Sheboygan.
Sheboygan, Wisconsin. So,
I thought they renamed it to Shigurgan.
yeah.
People know that I teach kids, and they actually decorate them with antique stamps. So people have put in like George Washington 1-cent stamps on my envelopes, and I keep all the envelopes because of that. Because I'm like, wow, that's really sweet.
I mean, this,
And people will decorate the packages they send me for the museum. So don't read that because that's cheating.
bacon, tomato, and lettuce and mayo turkey.
Yeah, I'm not sure that's the actual.
Can you show it to the...
Oh, it's a card inside, yes.
Yes.
Let's open that up.
Paul's face and see he goes to town on that.
The action shot.
These scissors are nice. Yeah.
Here, let me help you because I've done this. You good?
We can tell in the video that it's 2:17 in the afternoon by the microwave clock.
Careful, the card's right there.
Read the thing about how that stuff evidently started out as...
It's a suffragette
They
card.
made that as for old people.
Nice.
That's what I read.
Suffragette.
It's an original suffragette card.
Oh, very nice.
And it's actually, if you
has
turn it around,
handwriting
it's
on
got
the back.
cool handwriting on the back.
Mrs. Harriet
Hattie. You could dress up as Vladimir. Hattie Haley.
Maddox, Stockton, Illinois. Dearest Hattie, just to tell you I'm home again. I had such a gaudy time.
Lovely time.
Every minute I was away that I felt quite satisfied to be home again. Hope you are real well loved. You and Bill best.
And it's from 1910.
Not the most exciting card.
It's a cool card.
I mean,
I actually have a whole letter on the show. Yeah, the letter on the back is nice. But the card is cool.
Baby.
Hi guys.
Okay.